Welcome to Lifelab Testing. When your kit arrives, please open it and remove all the contents. Read the instructions thoroughly. Getting prepared now will help you to take the sample correctly. Fill out the blood submission card and blood spot card clearly in block capitals. This should be for the person whose sample is being collected. Place one of the QR code stickers on the submission card. Place the other on the right-hand side of the blood spot card outer sleeve. This step is essential. Before taking your sample, visit lifelabtesting.com/activate. This links your test kit with your order. Ensuring you are hydrated and your hands are clean, open the blood spot card on a clean, dry surface and prepare your finger. Pull and twist the end of the lancet. Press this firmly into your finger. It will only fire once. Massage your finger towards the blood drop. Drop the blood into all of the circles. It is essential to fill the circles for an accurate sample. This process can take a few minutes. If you find the blood is not flowing, try gentle movements like walking up and down the stairs. Clean and use the plaster on your finger. Place the blood spot card with the submission card in the envelope and seal. Please fill out the sender's contact details on the envelope in case of postal issues. Take this to your local post box. Your result will be available within 5 business days of us receiving your sample. They will be sent to your Lifelab area and securely to the Lifelab app. Download it free now. At Lifelab Testing, we have a team of nutritional therapists ready to discuss your results. Book your appointment now.